Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Travis Legleiter. He's with the University of Kentucky as Extension Weed Scientist there. Well, Travis, today we're going to talk about crop health and how important that is for our producers, our consultants, for everybody to stay on top of the cutting edge of some of the developments happening there.
Yeah, so with crop health or more specifically pest management, producers, every year they're dealing with pest and trying to raise, the healthiest crop, the highest yielding crop they can with minimal pest pressure, right? And so this year and every year, really, they have to deal with it. But, as we look forward, we know things are tight and there's a lot of decisions to be made and a lot of decisions on where to cut things, where to put things in. And that's where we want to really help out is using some research-based data to help farmers and consultants make those decisions on pest management.
Because there is so much information out there. But I think the value that the university brings is that research-based information, data in the field, and we can see how that does in Kentucky and surrounding areas.
Yeah, yep, that's right. So, yeah, it's all about just trying to give the best information we can based on what we've seen so far, based on our research, and letting the consultants, farmers make their decisions from there. But just giving you the best information we can, and that's something we're trying to bring to our consultants and farmers. So we have the Crop Health Conference. So this will be the 2025 Crop Health Conference that's coming up on February 6th of 2025. So that will be located at the National Corvette Museum there in Bowling Green. We've had it there the last couple of years, and we've really enjoyed being there. So we think it's a great facility, and that's where we'll be at. And we'll start at 9 a.m. and we'll have it wrapped up by 3. So a lot of information in just a few hours. We cover all things pest management in corn, soybean, and wheat. And so this year, you'll have the University of Kentucky pest specialist, which would be myself, our plant pathologist, Kirsten Wise and Carl Bradley, and our entomologist, Raul Villanueva. Now, the thing that is really special about this conference is we also bring in outside speakers. So you're getting the information from us from the University of Kentucky, but sometimes it's good to get some outside information. So we're bringing in an entomologist, a plant pathologist, and a weed scientist from outside of Kentucky to bring another perspective from their research at their universities.
And so we can learn from some of the things that they have experienced before it gets to Kentucky.
Dr. Wise is bringing in Wade Webster from North Dakota State to talk about tar spot. We all know how big of a topic tar spot is, and so talking about his experience with that, and I'm bringing in on the weed science side, I'm bringing in Dr. Alyssa Espin, and she's done a lot of work on cover crops, and I know we do a lot of cover crops here in Kentucky, but again, just getting another perspective of that research from a different state, and it can bring some fresh and new ideas to us again as we're our margins are slim, and so having some new ideas can always be great.
Absolutely. And I mean, cover crops, there's a big push there on the federal level. And so learning
Yes.
more about that just kind of equips our farmers, I feel like. People register for this event. Is there a fee?
Yes, there is registration, so you do need to pre-register, and there is a fee. So it is $80 a ticket to attend the conference, and you can purchase those through the Eventbrite site. You can do 2 different ways. You can go to Weed Science, all one word, .ca.uky.edu and click on events, and that'll take you to the link to the Eventbrite site, or you can go directly to Eventbrite. It's KCHC 2025.eventbrite.com. So if you go there, you can purchase your ticket and get your seat. We are limited on space, so make sure you get your tickets and so you can attend this great conference and get some great information.
Absolutely. Now, are there credits, continuing education units available at this conference?
Yes, so we have both CCA credits as well as Kentucky pesticide credits as well. So you'll get all those credits in addition to all the great information that you're getting.
All right, Travis, thanks for the information. If you have questions, make sure to contact your local extension office, and we appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show. Have a great day.